Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a PAKEDGE RT-3100 router and you need to do a hard reset on it. Now there's two main reasons you're going to want to do this hard reset. The first one is troubleshooting. If you are having any issues with this router modem not connecting to the internet, or if it seems to be not responding, if it's really slow, if your devices can't connect to it, things like that, a good step is to do this, and especially if you've already tried a soft reboot on it. You might need to move up to this next level. Now you're going to need to set everything up again because it will be restored to its factory default settings if you do this, like it's coming out of the box. But if you want to do that, we can go ahead and proceed. It's quite easy. You'll see it's pretty easy to find here, this reset button. Now if you just press it, it will just do a soft reboot on it. So what you need to do is get a paper clip or a pin or whatever, and you have to put it in there and hold that button down for at least 10 seconds. And if you hold it down for at least 10 seconds, that will factory reset this router back to its out-of-the-box default settings.